You still believe that alert?
Who else would it be? The school literally disappeared.
Could still be a hoax.
A hoax? We've been stuck here for 6 days.
Yeah, but a whole different dimension. Sounds straight out of a movie.
Then explain the fog.
My phone says there's no signal, but the time keeps changing.
Look, either it's real or it isn't. But the alert said stay in the light. So we stay in the light.
What if the rescue teams never come?
Don't move.
Hello? Guys, please, open the door.
Don't answer that damn door.
I know you're in there. I just need help.
We have stability. Repeat, the barrier is opening. All units move now. This is an emergency update to all individuals inside Northridge High School. If you can hear this message, remain calm and listen carefully. Containment teams have successfully breached the perimeter. Foxtrot recovery units are now inside the structure. Multiple teams are currently sweeping the building. They are trained for this environment. They will reach you. Do not attempt to locate them yourself. Movement through hallways significantly increases risk of hostile contact and disorientation. Remain inside your current classroom. Do not open doors. Do not respond to voices unless verification procedures are followed. Even if you believe help is nearby, wait. To assist recovery teams in locating survivors, place a visible marker outside your classroom door immediately. Acceptable markers include clothing, shirts, jackets, backpacks, paper signs, any object that contrasts with the hallway. Ensure the marker is clearly visible from a distance. If you are able, include written information, number of individuals inside, number of injured, number of missing. If writing is not possible, mark the door in a distinct pattern to indicate distress. If individuals have left your classroom and have not returned, do not search for them. Do not call out into the hallway. Recovery teams will conduct systematic sweeps and retrieval operations. Power instability is ongoing. Additional outages are expected. When power is lost, immediately activate all available light sources, consolidate into one area of the room, minimize movement, remain silent. Darkness increases hostile activity. Maintain at least one active light source at all times. If devices begin to fail, rotate usage, conserve battery life, prioritize group illumination over individual use, do not allow total darkness. Hostile entities continue to exhibit voice mimicry pattern, recognition response to sound and movement. They may attempt to imitate known individuals, create urgency, force you to open doors. Do not engage. Do not respond. Do not approach. Keep noise levels low. Avoid unnecessary talking, movement, or device usage. If entities are detected nearby, cease all sound immediately. Remain still. Keep lights directed away from doors and windows. Individuals may experience auditory hallucinations, visual distortion, time irregularities, feelings of familiarity with unknown spaces. These are effects of the environment. Do not act on them. Stay with your group. Stay grounded. Do not enter the fog, open doors without verification, separate from your group, attempt to leave the building, follow voices or movement outside your room. Foxtrot personnel will identify themselves using clear verbal commands, controlled knocking patterns, visible lighting signals under doors. If these are not present, do not open the door. The internal layout of the building remains unstable. Hallways may shift, loop, or lead to unknown areas. Recovery teams are navigating this environment using specialized equipment. You are safest where you are. This broadcast will continue intermittently. Signal disruption is expected. If communication is lost, continue following all previously issued instructions. You are not alone. You have been located. You are being recovered. Foxtrot teams are trained for this scenario. They will reach you. Stay in your classrooms. Mark your doors. Stay together. Stay in the light.